Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Cat S75. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside look for the Firefox, install it, when it's ready you'll be able to open this app. Here we can customize it with a different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, open any website, and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.